Hello, I'm Mariami, Mini Excavator Product Manager at Develon, and today at Develon Demo Days we have the opportunity to try out the smallest member of our excavator family. Ergonomic flexibility is provided by tilting and swivel consoles, allowing operators to adjust the space according to their individual preferences. So let's find out what else this machine can do. DX10Z-7 comes with new boom design and increased arm length, translating into enlarged working range, increased lifting capacity, and reliable power. The features that make it versatile brings the additional value of safety. During the heavy loads, the retractable track keeps you grounded, while the zero tail swing makes sure no interaction in tight spaces. For more details, contact your local Develon dealer.